We're on Don Outdoor Adventures. I decided to clean these fish while I'm out here on the water. It makes it a lot nicer. So, see if y'all can see that. Start right here, cut, and come around that dorsal fin. Come on down the rib cage, poke it through. Let's see. Right that backbone all the way down, and come in here. Right on top of those ribs. Try to get as much meat as you can off of there and just go down side of it. And cut it off right there. There you have it. Nice fillet. Do the other side, come on that dorsal fin. Probably can't see this one that well. But you come down that ribs, poke it through, come on down. Good sharp knife will get it done. And you just come on down and trim out. Just like that. I'm gonna get the belly meat off of here too, so I'm gonna come in here on that side, cut it, come in here, right on top of those ribs. There's the belly meat. And I got a board here that's real nice. So I'm gonna take this right here, lay that belly meat on there and grab it, about right, make a straight cut right there. Turn your knife and pull back on him. And just go down like that with it. There go your belly meat right there. Put it in there, and then the fillets, lay them on that block the same way. And you just grab it right there, little notch out, just pull that notch and just go back and forth and angle that blade. Had one guy tell me, oh, you can't fillet a catfish with the skin. And you see I'm doing it. Then I like to take this red meat off of here. They've been in that cooler, so it's not as red as it would be if they weren't. I think they're cooling down. And get that little vein out of there. See, they've got a nice fillet. Nice and clean. I got some ice in the bag over here that I'm doing. I'll do this one again. Do the other one. Like I said, you make a little notch, turn that knife, and just saw back and forth with it. Nothing like a good sharp fillet knife. Like I said, you come in and trim that red meat off. I got poles still out though. I'm trying to do this and make a video and watch my poles at the same time. But there you have it, nice fillet. See, I'm getting pretty full. Look at that, almost a bag full of meat. All right. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. I'm gonna be headed home here in a little bit. Got my dinner. We're gonna have fish tonight. All right, see you next time.